Alright guys, so this is going to be an extremely quick video. I just got off the phone with Matterhacker, and I want to say they have probably the best customer service I've ever dealt with. I spoke with Steve, a member of technical support, and we had a good conversation back and forth. We talked about the machine, we talked about potential issues, why it could have broke, the hardware of the machine, the software of the machine, and overall I'm extremely happy. They did say that they are going to send out a new laser tube. Hopefully we'll have it, he said 3 to 5 business days, but their shipping for the laser itself was extremely fast. I can only imagine that their shipping for the tube itself will be pretty quick as well. I'm expecting it Monday. Overall, I will say I'm not disappointed with the machine yet. I am pretty happy with the machine. It just, maybe this was the one time that something could have happened, or this is a potential fluke. But thank you guys at Matterhacker. Know that I am not sponsored by them. No, I probably will never be sponsored by them, but I just want to shout them out. 10 out of 10, I would recommend them every single time. They have great customer service. Everyone I've talked to is extremely nice. So I have conversated with multiple people there, and I've tried to get none of the corporate mumbo jumbo. This call is recorded conversation, and when it came down to it, they gave me real advice, more human to human interaction, not looking just to make a sale, not looking to sell me up on anything. They're looking to get this machine going for me and make sure I am happy with their service. Like I said, anything you buy in the future, buy from Matterhacker. They do a ton of CNC machines, they do lasers, they do 3D printers, they do all sorts of things. As a company, just dealing with them themselves, they've been phenomenal. So thank you, Matterhacker, and next video, hopefully you guys will see this machine up and running, and we can go from there. Once again, Shelby is working, and maybe someday she'll shoot some content. Seems like I do it all myself.